bit chilly this morning, but sun's out and it's nice. And check out these views. Canada, we grow our own marshmallows. They come out in the fields and that every couple of years and that. It's kind of amazing. I'll see if I can try to find some in the field in there, you know, before they're harvested. I think there were some back there and that. I'll see if I can get some more pictures. It's a bit windy out, but finally found them. Marshmallow fields. They're kind of hard to see every once in a while. Farmers kind of keep them in a little bit of seclusion, but I'm in a rural area, so they're not trying to hide them. But I don't know, it doesn't look like a good crop this year, and that hasn't been quite the right weather. But let me zoom in on the marshmallow fields and you'll see what I mean. Right by the roadside, I couldn't believe it. A whole field of marshmallows. Oh, they're white and ripe, ready for picking. I passed by the marshmallow farmer and he waved at me, so I don't know, does that mean I can take one? I don't think I have the room, but I'll zoom in and show you the marshmallows. Bye-bye marshmallows. I missed you already. Hello, puppy dog. Hello. Campground. Someone made up a nice little lean-to, left some kids' play toys for out on the river and that, and even made a cool little like Robbie robot. So you know, even with a little mustache, it's like pretty awesome. So on trips that are supposed to be nice and enjoyable, sometimes you have to take some calculated choices. So today is supposed to be a heavy rain day. Not that it's going to rain all day, but there's going to be some pretty big cells that are going to roll through. I'm making the option of actually hunkering down for today and just kind of letting the big rain pass. Remember, sometimes it's okay to stop, chill out, relax. So check this out, what I did with my bike. I left my hammock fly up so that I could restring my hammock later tonight. Instead, I made a bike shelter, so now my bike will stay dry. That worked out well. Chill out, maybe go for some walks if the rain lets up a little bit. So before the big rain cell comes barreling through here, I decided I'd go take a look for some firewood stuff, but found something else, and I don't know if I should be afraid or not. The property of the resistance. Sounds scary. Better watch my crap. And out bike packing. You always try to be prepared for you know, the majority of problems that you have with your bike. So you carry a reasonable amount of tools and stuff, but you know, people do things like break frames and wheels and stuff that's just unrepairable, but sometimes you break things that are just totally unforeseeable. Like I broke my spork. You know, the alternative is, you know, not all that pleasant looking. Nutella on a tent peg? Anyone? When you're bored by yourself, I wonder what it's like to just, you know, play fetch just by yourself. You sick yet? Well, as you can hear, still pouring rain. Bike packing might be roughing it, but you know, thank you Netflix for letting us download stuff, because awesome to bring your own little home entertainment system. How cool is that? So it was smart this morning to do my little scrounge of wood and put a bunch underneath my bicycle tarp there that I had going, and just started this while we have a little bit of a lull in the rain, so let's see how long I can keep this going tonight. Rain should be starting again soon, so sun's just about down for the day, so I should be off to bed soon anyway, and looks like the rain should be done by, I don't know, midnight, 1, 2 in the morning, something like that. Hopefully tomorrow won't be too heavy of a rain day, and we'll get motoring along. So later.